Hello my beautiful people, it's another beautiful day. Here we are to talk about the MEBASHI M-CCM2068. It's a very good machine for home base, and you can also use for your events, maybe like marriage, anniversaries and stuff like that. So we shall be talking about this MEBASHI, how it functions, so you can easily use this information for your own if you will get one. Mind you, this is a new version, and also this is a brand new machine, so let's get to see how it operates. This machine actually has, it's a 3-boiler machine, a separate 3-boiler machine, which means the group head operates separately, the steam one also operates separately, and also the water outlet here. And also it has a water tank of 1.8 liters. As you can see, it's already filled with water. That is the maximum level of the water. And also here there is also a water inlet behind, and here there's a diagram that guides you. So for you to fully operate this machine, you need to follow this diagram so that you can know how to operate this machine, right? So let's go further and see how it operates. So the machine, the steam one, is not yet ready, but this is how it operates. So I'm going to show you how it operates. First of all, let's talk about the panel here. As you can see, we have 5 keys on the panel with a temperature which is on degrees already at 0.93, which is, you can say, 93 also. And here we have the manual operation system, which is for the brewing and extraction, doing extraction. And also we have a single and a double. Here is a power on button on the panel. So this button functions only here, and the water outlet, which is this one, but the steam one function on its own. That is why also we have here the gauge and another gauge here. So this gauge eventually works for the the group head and also the water outlet, and this other gauge works only for the steam one, so giving it a very strong capacity, which enables you to extract your coffee while steaming at the same time without any problem or any delayance or change of temperature as compared to other home base or event machines. So I will give thanks to MEBASHI to produce a such product like this. Actually, this is not an advertisement, but it's a gratitude given to the production or the producer. So being a coffee enthusiast, someone who loves coffee also, that's why I appreciate. Now this machine has its setting, so which, if you will go into the setting, you have here the program. So this program enables you like pre-infusion periods. As you can see, mine is already at 4. So if you go further, you have seconds for the single shot, and you have seconds for the double shot. You can see, mind you, the single shot and the double shots eventually, for example, the double shot will works from 25 to 30 seconds. So if it is at 28, for example, you see it shows that the extraction is perfect, using the perfect grind size and the perfect coffee bean roast type, you understand? So this will actually give you a good extraction. So we shall be also doing some extraction so that you can also learn from how it is being used. Mind you, this machine has been programmed already. I did the programming already. That is why you can see it is already 28 and 18 like that and stuff like that. So you go back to the degrees. So this one is for the how many seconds the machine takes to heat the 5 seconds you see after the heat. How many seconds? Just 5 seconds the machine gets ready. Yeah, so for you to actually program this, once it's blinking, you can either increase here or you decrease here, depending on how you want the extraction time to last. So after doing that, you will eventually grind your coffee from the grinder, and when you grind, you will of course through your portafilter, you can then determine if the seconds that were set is accurate and gives you the taste and the flavors from your cup of espresso. So that is how the Mebashi actually works. So as you can see, the steam one is here, has this arm, a wooden arm. So what you do is, of course, you just pull it towards you, yeah, and you start working. Then you can steam, and then you just close like that. You close like that, and that is it. Same for the water outlet. It's just for you to open like this, and again you close just like that. So that is it. Of course, mind you, the group head functions properly. As you can see how the water drips here, you see, very perfect, strong. You see the seconds, that is the pre-infusion period. So you can see that is it. Here is a drip tray, of course, and here it has a tube. This tube is to extract or remove the water from the drip tray. Mind you, the water outlet inlet behind also have a pipe which can be inserted. So basically, this is how this machine operates, and it is very powerful, like I said, because it's a 3-boiler separate boilers system. It enables it to function without any drop in temperature or any tolerance in terms of quality of coffee. Your espresso remains on standard, and your steaming temperature also remains on standard without any drop of temperature or change of coffee taste and flavors, because of its its operational system, which is actually should I say like equilibrium system, moving adjacent to each other. So it is perfect for events and also for home. Yeah, so let's go and see how we can do some coffee. Cheers, guys.